Hello, everybody. In this session, we are talking about what is negotiation. Negotiation, in its most basic form, is an exchange of dialogues involving two or maybe more conflicting parties who are striving to reach a consensus on their dilemma. This person or group procedures usually takes place on a domestic, professional, or global scale. Rather than fighting publicly, they try to look for common ground. Negotiation needs both offerings as well as receiving. One should hope for a mutually respectful conversation that convinces both sides. Good negotiation is one when one can make subtle sacrifice whilst offering whatever is significant to the other defendant. Regardless of the disparities in party interests, the approach should avoid misunderstanding. A successful negotiation tends to leave both parties content and willing to meet again. And then the five important negotiation skills. There are several key negotiation skills that may be helpful in your career. The first, communication skills. Essential communication skills include identifying non-verbal cues and verbal skills to express yourself engagingly. Skilled negotiators can change their communication styles to meet the listener's needs. By establishing clear communication, you can avoid misunderstandings that could prevent you from reaching a compromise. The second, decision making. Good negotiators can act decisively during a negotiation. It may be necessary to agree to a compromise during a bargaining arrangement. You need to be able to react decisively. Keep in mind that your decisions may have lasting effects on yourself or your company. It is important to think through your options carefully without overthinking your decision. And then the third, active listening. Active listening skills are also crucial for understanding another person's opinion in negotiation. Unlike Passive listening, which is hearing a speaker without retaining their message. Active listening ensures you engage and later recall specific details without needing information repeated. The fourth, problem solving. Negotiation requires problem solving to see the problem and find a solution. If a price is too high, how can it be lowered? If a research is in short supply, what can be done to increase it? Finding unique solutions to problems, especially, may be the determining factor in compromise. The fifth, emotional intelligence. Emotional intelligence is the ability to control your emotions and recognize others' feelings. Being conscious of the emotional dynamics during negotiation can help you stay calm and focused on the core issues. If you're unsatisfied with the current negotiation, ask for a break so you and the other party can return with refreshed perspective. The sixth, integrity. Integrity, or having strong ethical and moral principles, is an essential skill for negotiators. Being thoughtful, respectful, and honest allows the other side to trust what you say. As a negotiator, you should be able to follow through on commitments to demonstrate trustworthiness. Avoid over promising. And then the process of negotiations and the process on the first preparation. Before any negotiation takes place, a decision needs to be taken as to when and where a meeting will take place to discuss the problem and who will attend. Setting a limited time scale can also be helpful to prevent the disagreement continuing. The second, discussion. During this stage, individuals or members of each side put forward the case as they see it. The third, clarifying goals. From the discussion, the goals, interests, and new points of both sides of the disagreement need to be clarified. The fourth, negotiate towards a win-win outcome. This stage focuses on what is termed a win-win outcome, where both sides feel they have gained something positive through the process of negotiation and both sides feel their point of view has been taken into consideration. Fifth, agreement. Agreement can be achieved once understanding of both sides, viewpoints, and interests have been considered. And the sixth, implementing a course of action. From the agreement, a course of action has to be implemented to carry through the decision. I think it is enough for this session. Thanks for watching, and don't forget give this channel with your like, comment, subscribe, and share. Thank you.